We're going to be taking a look at how we can view the generated CSS when we're working with SASS in Angular. All right, so I've gone ahead and created a new Angular project, and we're just going to see what happens when we serve it. So let's go and type ng serve -o. And when this comes up, we're going to go into the developer tools, and we're going to see if we can see the generated CSS. So here we are, and let's go ahead and click on some CSS that's styled with SCSS. I'll click on stuff right there. And when we go over here in the developer tooling, we see that we're getting styles.scss. And if you click on that, we see that it has the mixin and also the include and the SCSS source code. And we actually want to see the CSS. So let's take a look at how we do that. Okay, as I'm making this video, I realized something very funny. Styles.css is right next to styles.scss. So if we go over here and click, we get styles.css. So originally, the way I was going to do this is going to go in here into preferences. And if you go down here, you could turn off enable CSS source maps, which will switch them off completely. And then you'll only see styles.css. But since it's right next to styles.scss, we don't actually have to do that. So that was a pleasant surprise. Hope you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe, please. And I hope you have a wonderful day.